Dear aspirants, welcome to Pradeep Academy online class. In this video lecture series, I have discussed about every state and union territory of India. This information is very important for all types of competitive exams. In this video, I have discussed about Bihar, a state in India. At first, Bihar was under the Bengal presidency till 1905. The presidency of Bengal included the present Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Bangladesh, Assam, the states of Northeast India. In 1905, Lord Curzon divided the Bengal presidency into two parts through partition of Bengal. Bihar was separated from Bengal in 1912. Odisha was still part of Bihar. Odisha was separated from Bihar in 1936. Finally, 2000, a separate state was formed by dividing Jharkhand from Bihar. Next, according to area, Bihar is the 12th state of India and West Bengal is the 13th state of India. Bihar is the third populated state in India and first populated India is Odisha, Uttar Pradesh according to 2011 census. Patna is the state capital of Bihar, previously known as Patuliputro. Patuliputro capital Patuliputro established by Udayan. Next, Patna is the largest city of Bihar. There are 38 districts in Bihar. The area of Bihar is 4,163 square kilometer. It is the 12th state and area of West Bengal 86,000 something square kilometer. The population of Bihar is 10 crore 40 lakh according to 2011 census. The population density of Bihar is 1106 per square kilometer. Rate of increase of population 25.40% according to 2011 census. Bihar is the maximum population density state in India and West Bengal is the second populated population density state in India and lowest population density state of India is Arunachal Pradesh. The largest city of Bihar is Patna and the smallest city of Bihar is Shehor. The literacy rate of Bihar 61.80% according to 2011 census. The major language of Bihar is Hindi, Urdu, Maithili, Bhojpuri, Magdi. Maithili is the regional language of Indian Constitution according to 8th schedule. The major river of Bihar is Ganga, Bhagmati, Kamala, Son, Phalgu, Ghargara. Next, Hindi is the first language of Bihar and Urdu is the second language of Bihar, official language. High Court of Bihar located at Patna. State bird of Bihar is house sparrow. State tree of Bihar is sacred fig, people tree, also called Bodhi Brikho. State fish of Bihar is Cherias batraeus, magur. Next, state flower of Bihar is marigold. State animal of Bihar is gaur or ox. The symbol of Bihar is Bodhi tree, shown in the picture. The famous festival of Bihar is Chhath Puja, dedicated to the god sun. The current chief minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar belongs to Janata Dal United, JDU. The number of legislative assembly seat in Bihar is 243, and the number of legislative assembly seat in West Bengal is 294, and one Anglo-Indian. Actually, total number of legislative assembly seat of West Bengal is 295. The number of Lok Sabha seat in Bihar is 40, and the number of Lok Sabha seat in West Bengal is 42. The number of Rajya Sabha seats in Bihar is 60. Also same of number of Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha seat of West Bengal. The number of seats in Legislative Council of Bihar is 46. West Bengal, there are no Legislative Council in West Bengal. Only 7 states of India have Legislative Council. The oldest university in the world is Nalanda University, located at Bihar. The founder of Nalanda University was Kumar Gupta, King Kumar Gupta. The Magadh was a strong kingdom in ancient time. The founder of Pataliputra, now it is Patna, was Udayan. Udayan was the son of Ajatashatru, and Ajatashatru was the son of Bimbisar. Bimbisar belongs to Harshankar dynasty. He was he also known as Shrenik. The king was a son of Ajatashatru. Okay. The first capital of Magadh was Rajgir. The Mahabodhi temple under the first UNESCO heritage site, located in Bihar. The founder of Mahabodhi temple was Samrat Ashok, Maurya Samrat Ashoka. Fourth Buddhist council celebrated under the rule of King Konishko. Konishko era 78. It is the national calendar of India. Shakabdo. Scientist Aryabhatta left Patna, who invented zero. Scientist Aryabhatta was the member of court of Ditya Chandragupta. In the year of 1198, Ikhtiaruddin bin Bakhtiar Khalji founded Turki dynasty in Bihar. Bangla, Bihar, Odisha given by Mughal Samrat Shah Alam to East India Company. After the War of Buxar, Munger was the capital of Nawab Mir Qasim. Mir Qasim transferred his capital Murshidabad to Munger in the year of 1763. Kunar Singh was the leader of Bihar of revolt 1857. Gandhiji came to Bihar first time in Champaran. Very important question. Kisan Sabha of Bihar founded in the year of 1929. Socialist Party of Bihar founded Jai Prakash Narayan in the year of 1934. Jai Prakash Narayan Airport located at Patna. Jai Prakash Narayan Airport located in Patna. The founder of Home Rule movement in Bihar was Mazharul Haq. The first president of Bihar was the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, born in Bihar. Largest cattle fair in Asia, celebrated on Kartik Purnima in Sonepur district. Next, the tomb of Sher Shah Suri located at Sasaram in Bihar. Shershah Suri founded GT Road. It is Afghanistan to Sonargaon in Bangladesh. Chhath Puja dedicated to the god sun. Bikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary located in Bhagalpur district. 10th Guru Gobind Singh of Sikhism born in Bihar. Guru Gobind Singh founded Khalsa. The nature of Legislative Assembly in Bihar is bicameral. 7 states of India has bicameral Legislative Assembly. 8th Schedule of Indian Constitution recognized Maithili language as a regional language. There are 22 regional languages in the Indian Constitution. Valmiki National Park is the only national park in Bihar located in Champaran district. Thank you for watching.